Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is doing great and staying safe in this pandemic situation. This video talks about an additional accessory for a bike. So this accessory is very important for a bike. I would recommend because whenever there is a fall or anything happens, this will take the impact. Or this will try to make sure that you don't get hurt or your bike don't get hurt very often. So it is very important or something which is required for a bike. So which I got the accessories as a crash guard. This is a very good heavy metal which I got. So if you go to the showroom, you won't get this particular type of crash guard and you'll have to get it aftermarket. So I got this done in JC Road, which is, I hope all Bangaloreans would know the place. And the price is also still worth. So if you talk about, if you buy this product probably online or maybe if you search some good stores, you might get it in a little higher price, but when you go to JC Road, this would be very cheaper. So I got this done for about 3,000 rupees. Get into the video or detailed information about this particular crash guard which I spoke about. So as I said, this is a very good hard metal. So this weighs about somewhere at least about 3 to 4 kilos, which you don't get in any other crash guards. So this has an additional protection from here. It starts from here and it ends here, which protects your engine, and also it has a slider. So most of the crash guards what you get will have a curve or some other shapes, so which will actually bend inside and it might impact your engine. But in this situation, as you get a slider, which most of the racing motorcycles what you get, so this slider will help you protect more and it doesn't damage your crash guard, and also it helps you make sure your tank is safe and secure. And apart from this, we don't have much anything to talk about, but I would recommend or suggest anyone who's owning a Himalayan bike, so this is the best one, I would say. Okay, apart from the crash guard, I've also ordered a Pioneer for a bike, which is good for a long tourer. So if I'm traveling somewhere out of station, Pioneer is very much important for the bike, where you can carry all your luggages. So I've ordered this from the showroom itself. However, it has not been delivered yet. So they've mentioned certain time frame, 30 days or more. Along with that, I have not got the number plate or registration done yet. So RTO probably is just taking time because of this pandemic situation. So once all these arrive, or once I get the RC certificate and also the Pioneer, I would start the ride. However, apart from that, I'm also researching or looking for an action camera, so which I can mount it on the helmet, so which would be helpful, where I can take some of the videos, pictures, whatever I am looking at, I can also show you guys what it is all about. So let's see on the next video. I will upload the next video detailed about the Pioneers once I get it done. please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope everyone stays safe.